So hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with a new video, and today we have draw a famous YouTuber, and this is the fourth YouTuber I have drawn. I have drawn Lil Cindy, Carving Club How to Draw, Anydew, and now Jazza. Well, Jazza is a famous YouTuber artist who do art challenges and different art fields, like not just drawing. He have more than one field in his channel. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box as usual to check his channel out. As you see, I have literally struggled somehow in the hair, but not so much. The video quality is very good. I was like having some problems with the video quality and the editing apps, just to know the most recent apps, but this app is very nice. These cute stickers, as you see, subscribe and recording and share, these so cute stickers are very nice, extremely. I love them. So yeah, also I haven't struggled in hair, but I was expected a lighter color for the hair, but I don't have. What to do? I don't have a lighter color than this, and I have like a very light yellow, but I don't want to use it because it's very light. It is just like a light gold color. I don't have this color. I am not a color wheel. I don't have it. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna also delete my social media links, Instagram and Facebook. Follow me in the other social media accounts. I upload regularly on Instagram, stories, posts, and I have fun. Yeah, I love to post on Instagram and also on YouTube mainly, but Facebook not so much. I use Facebook like from one period of time to another, but I'm very active on Instagram and YouTube. Yeah. And yeah, the eyes are very nice. I get a very good result. So remain only 2 YouTubers, and I'm very excited about this. Like, I have to draw them, and I will finish this section. I'm going to add a new section. I was thinking about it for a couple of days, and yeah, the idea is very nice, and you will love it. Trust me, you will love it. Like, I just thinking about this, but actually, like, I haven't got the real what we call idea. I don't want to cancel the draw fancy YouTuber section because I have told you I have 6 YouTubers and I will draw the 6 YouTubers. Yeah. Now they are 4, remain 2, and they will become 6. So here we go, we are now in the semi-final with the character. As you see, we have like a light beard. Like, I don't want to give it a very dark color like the hair, and actually I love it. I love it. Like, I love the way I color it and the colors I have used it. The result was very nice, and I'm very proud of myself for this result. And this is the comic character that I have drawn digitally. Yeah, they don't have a lot of difference, but I think the real drawing is much better. Like, it is just much creative. Yeah. So here we go. Subscribe for more videos. This is the final results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, like and also subscribe for more videos, and bye.